Hey everybody, Roy here from Yago Yoga, and here we are on day 20 of the 30-day breath awareness challenge. So again, a little recap on yesterday, if you remember the sway and your exhale, and you're exhaling all the way to the pause at the end of your exhale, and because you're sitting in your sit bones and swaying in your body, is you're going to feel a greater tone come through the trunk of your body all the way down to your pelvic bowl and your sit bones. Basically, you're exhaling and feeling the effect of your exhale on your body, and you're drawing the energy down and you're moving deeper into your body. So it's part of body breathing and breath awareness, is bringing your breath awareness and bringing it consciously into your body and feeling it move down into your body. So the question is, how did you get on? What did you get? What did you not get? You had this experience, I wasn't sure about this, what about that? Again, fire those questions in, and I'll bounce back with you. So the challenge for today is, and again, I know you're starting to see the pattern, is of course we're going to go up. Of course we're going to go up. But this time is we're going to do the sway. So you're in the sway, and then you layer your breath into it. So it's like a pendulum. You're inhaling and exhaling like a pendulum. You're moving from side to side like a pendulum, and then you find yourself gently swaying in it. And just a smaller sway that'll just let you feel it. And then as you do, the tone of your lungs is meeting the tone of your body. And again, you're exploring the exhale to the pause. And notice as you were doing that, it gives you a greater tone in your body, greater stability, with greater tone. You feel your breath all the way down to the pause, and you feel your body in that. So now what I want you to focus on today is the inhale. Now as you sway, is you're breathing in, you're breathing that spaciousness in your navel, breathing the spaciousness in your rib cage and your upper chest. And as you do, I want you to notice how your body starts to feel a little taller. Is that your spine is elongating a little bit more. So while you're resting down through your sit bones and connected to the pause at the end of the exhale, as you inhale, there's this beautiful rising tone coming up through your body. So now you feel the rise come up through your hips and your navel, come up through your rib cage, into your upper chest. Let the shoulders relax away from the ears, so you can let the back of the neck go long. So look to see if you can feel as you inhale that you get a beautiful lift all the way up through to the top of the skull. And then just notice that rising sensation move through your body. So it's not just your breath, it's not just your lungs, is your whole body is feeling that spaciousness and that lift and that lightness, and that you're feeling the tone and you're channeling that lightness through it. So don't be surprised if you feel a little taller when you do this, that you're rooting down and then you got a lovely lift up through. You're rooting and rising, down and up at the same time, breathing from pause to pause, meeting the tone of the muscles, and then the tone of the muscles mirroring the tone of the rest of the body. So that's the simplicity of it, is that you're just breathing the tone of the body. And as you inhale and you exhale, remember, your lungs are like a big pair of hands that can do an internal massage. It's just have the muscles of your lungs massage and meet the tone of the rest of your body. And in the lightness today is channel the lightness and feel that lift. As your muscles tone, feel the energy lift through it. Feel the rising sensation. And as part of body breathing, taking your breath awareness and just bringing it into a greater space that is your body. Okay? And then see how you get on. So again, remember, there's a little bit more to this than the previous one. So again, if you did 10 of these today, again, that's great. 20 of them is amazing and 30 of them is excellent. Okay, and again, no more than 30 seconds. It's the same thing is to get into your sway for a moment or two, and then your first breath is just sinking it in. The second breath, you're getting the rhythm of it. The third breath is where you really begin to feel the tone and the rise. So 3-4 breaths, no more than 30 seconds or so, maybe 40 seconds, and then that's it. Small sessions. Okay. So again, it's getting more challenging. I know it sounds easy, breath awareness, but then you start adding all these things on. It is a challenge, but It's 30-day challenge. Okay, so if you liked the video today, or if you find today's video very challenging, please subscribe. Again, put in some comments, click a like even, and again click the notification if you want to hear what's coming up as we deliver it out. Other than that, have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you.